Hey, what's up guys? So today I will be sharing a topic on the audio visualizer, especially good for DJ streaming, where you can see all the visualizing going on the page. Yeah. So this is what we're gonna do here. Is actually a plugin, so you don't have to install any particular software. Of course, there are specific software that does visualizing with a lot of customization, but I'm going to start off with the simplest way of doing the audio visualizer. So it comes in the form of OBS plugin, so you just need to plug it in and play. So this is where you're going to go to. You will go to this particular website. I'll share the link in the description below, so you can just grab the link underneath the description. So this is where OBS share all the resources, and this is happen to be one of the resources where you can download. It is called the Spectralizer. This is an audio visualizer where you can see how you can customize this. There is a link of go to download on the top right side, so I want you to go ahead and click this. It will bring you to the developer's website. So this is where you can see there are three packages: Linux, Mac, and Windows. So if you're using Windows, you can go ahead and download this package. If you're using Mac, you can go ahead and download this Mac. So I won't be able to demonstrate how to operate the Mac version, but I reckon there is some description or readme on how you do that. So I will go ahead to demonstrate the Windows installation. So since I'm using Windows, I'm going to go ahead and download this. So once it's completed, you are just going to open it. Now, in the package, you will see three files. So one is the license, of course, and then you have the README. README contains the simple instructions on how you install it. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the simple steps for you. Now, the other thing that you have here is the folder. So you double click the folder inside. You will see two subfolders, which is the data and OBS dash plugins. So you just go ahead and copy into your clipboard, and then you're gonna go into the OBS folder that you installed. So typically, if you do not change the default settings, this is where you're gonna go to. You're gonna go into Windows, Program Files, and then you're gonna go ahead and look for OBS Studio. So this is where the installation page is. Now, do you notice when you look at the two folders that you have earlier, which is the data and OBS plugins. Now you don't have to do anything. All you're gonna do here is you paste it. So we have already copied to the clipboard. Just paste it. So I've already have it installed previously, so I'm not gonna replace it. So I'm just gonna skip this for now. But you guys will not get this this message. Okay. So once you're done, cool. And then all you're gonna do here is to, if you have your OBS started, just close it down and reopen it again. So I'm gonna minimize the browser. So I'm gonna go into my OBS straight away. Okay. Now, provided that you have followed the step correctly, all right, you have restarted your OBS, you should find a audio visualizer under the sources tab. So you click the plus sign, you will see an audio visualizer. Yep. So you click it, and then you can name it whatever you want, visualizer. Okay. So once you have it, and then you can make some changes here. All right. Audio source is something that you want to work on. So what are the source that you're gonna do? So usually, generally, it's either mic or you're gonna use the desktop audio. So if you select desktop audio, nothing is playing on my screen right now, or maybe I can demonstrate for you since my mic is moving. So you can see the gain of my mic is being pulled, and will visualize that particular sound. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead with the desktop. Excuse me. And then generally you can play around with the settings. You can change the color, select the color, and then you can change the bar. If you like the stereo effect, you can go ahead and do that. So just to demonstrate it to you, just demonstrate to you using the mic, so you can get two sides. Yeah. So I'm gonna go here with the non-stereo. I'm gonna click OK with all the default settings here, and then I have this around. So I'm gonna place it anywhere. So again, if you follow my videos in the past, you know how you resize this. Okay, so I'm gonna move it to the place that I liked it to be. So I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring out a song. Yeah. Yep. So you pick up any source and you visualize it for you. Alright, just a quick recap. If let's say I'm going to put it right here, this is where I usually put it. And if you notice here, you can see that the top side of the window is actually cropped under the word bachata, right? So what I'll do is, again, I hold the alternate button, I pull it down. So this is to ensure your graph do not overlap with the other components of within your screen. So something you can try on. So the maximum within that range. Alright, so thank you so much. If you have any questions, just let me know.